So hey everybody, I'm sure none of you will debate that video is extremely important to your promotional plan today. However, many people don't really think about the different types of scripts that you can create for videos. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to offer 7 suggestions that might give you many more possible ways to approach this. Okay? So let's get started. So lifestyle videos are a really great way to promote your music simply because you're doing that indirectly through the lifestyle of your fans. So to backtrack for a minute, the first thing you need to do is you need to investigate the psychographics, the activities, interests, and opinions of your fans, and look at the things that they like to do, and then meet them there. So for example, if you were an alternative rock band, one of the lifestyles of your fans is skateboarding, let's just say, for example. So create an amazing skateboard video. Go out there with your GoPro and view the people at the local staircase that are jumping the stairs and falling on their heads, and then go to Hollywood Boulevard or whatever and take pictures of people skateboarding down Hollywood Boulevard or whatever the case might be, and then put together a little collage of all these clips with your music in the background. So in other words, your music becomes the soundtrack. So all of a sudden, all these kids around the world that are into skateboarding and to go, oh my God, you got to check out this really cool video clip of skateboarders from Hollywood. And then they're going to listen to your music and go, wow, that was really cool. And at the end of the video was a link to your music. Okay, so something to consider. It's called lifestyle videos. So definitely check out this tip. So there's no doubt, you guys, that everybody likes a little bit of humor. Everybody likes to laugh. So an artist that really took advantage of this was a guy named Dave Carroll. So Dave Carroll had essentially, I would say, sort of a kind of an easygoing type rock group. So this worked for him. But essentially what happened is he was traveling and United broke his guitars. So he wrote a song called United Breaks Guitars and actually put together a great video, put it up on the internet. It was meant to be a humorous video, but he got 20 million hits on this essentially. Again, the other cool thing about this is it's really real-time marketing in a sense too as well. He took an event that was current, made a video about it immediately, put it up online. It was humorous. So you have all these things together and it really ended up being very successful. So consider using humor in your videos as well if it works for your brand. Outrageous videos work really well because, hey, it's kind of like, I hate to say this, but it's like people driving down the street and they see the accident and they want to look, People seem to be drawn to this kind of thing, and no one could have done this better than Tyler, the Creator, right? I mean, his video has over 1 billion hits. You guys probably know what I'm talking about. It's a video where he's rapping, he eats a roach, essentially. He gets up on a stool, hangs himself. Pretty crazy stuff, and certainly not something that you would do if you were a Christian rock band. But I gotta be honest with you, when I saw this video, I immediately passed it around to friends. I was like, man, this not only is filmed very artistically, it was definitely an engaging video for sure. It worked the whole shock treatment issue. So, checking into outrageous or shocking videos, if it's right for your brand, could be the way to go. So try it. Moving on to something called fan-generated videos. This is a really great way to actually, generate engagement. And a guy by the name of Devin Townsend actually got close to 1 million views because of this. Essentially what he did is he just asked his fans to send in a video of them dancing to his music, and that he was going to take all of the best clips and put it into a collage and release it. And you know, people, it's amazing. First of all, what you do is you have everybody filming themselves dancing to your music, essentially in really crazy ways, and then posting it themselves. So now all of a sudden you've got your fans, right, generating interest in your band or your music, because now they're posting stuff, right? Then you're taking all their clips and you're posting it in one video and you're putting it out again. So this is a really, really great way to engage with your fans and to make them feel that they're part of your career. So again, it is called fan sort of generated videos, and something that you might want to check out. So we all know what lyric videos are. You know, lyric videos are essentially where, you know, you have the lyrics of your music going across the screen. And, you know, it's kind of a quick and simple way to put together a video. We've all seen it. One group that I saw do this amazingly and generated about, I think, 600,000 hits was a band called Hippocampus. And what they did, it was really quite interesting. It was just a pool of water, and they had their lyrics written on sheets of paper, and they would put the lyrics, or the paper and the lyrics into the water, and as it drifted away, you know, they would be singing the lyrics, and then they'd take it out and put the next one in. Very interesting, very eerie, it grabbed my attention for sure, and it grabbed obviously 600,000 other people's attentions. So, you know, just when you think you've seen it all with lyric videos, you can still get creative. So try to be as creative as you can with lyric videos, because it's definitely a cheap, quick technique to use. So check it out. 360 videos is really incorporating new technology. And of course, this isn't one, I mean, it's not new, but it's new, if you know what I mean, right? Not everybody's doing it yet, but it's been around for a while. And one band that got close to 1 million views is Muse, the alternative rock band, and very, very cool, because, you know, you could take your mouse and you can move the video around and see different sides and different angles and things like that, different views. Very, very cool. Don't really have a whole lot to say about this, other than, you know, you got to go out and find people that have the cameras, which aren't inexpensive. But if you have a buddy, maybe that's in film school or something like that, or going to a local college where the cameras are available, who knows, maybe you can record a 360 video. But something definitely to check out and consider. All right, so give it a try. And then finally, another technique that you can think about is what I call pseudo videos, or pseudo videos, right? Essentially what that is that's where you're just taking maybe some artwork, like your album artwork or something, and then you're just putting your song underneath it and you're letting it play that way. So, you know, I mean, what you could do is you could do this as a pre-release to your video, just to kind of get excitement or engagement, you know. So again, this is a really, really fast and quick way to put a video up without having to spend a lot of money or deal with a lot of production. So you're just taking like a graphic, like your album cover, let's just say, for example, and putting the music up and then throwing it up on some video hosting site like Dailymotion or YouTube or something of that nature. And it's a, you know, it's a really quick way to get it done. And it's a very simple way to get it done too. All right, you guys, so I hope you like that clip. Please be sure to check out further videos. And if you like them, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell. Please leave your questions and I'll make sure to get right back to them. Peace.